Edu Crackers. Please subscribe my channel and watch it. Question number 1. Which of the following is not true for a microcontroller? Options are: a microcontrollers have a special instructions for bit manipulation. Option B. There are commonly used in embedded system. Microcontrollers with Harvard architecture are available. Option D. Microcontroller cannot run without external memory. The answer is D. Here microcontroller is a single chip. It is denoted with μC or UC. The fabrication technology used for its controller is VLSI. An alternative name of the microcontroller is the embedded controller. At the present, there are different microcontrollers types that are existing in the market like 4-bit, 8-bit, 64-bit and 128-bit. It is compressed microcomputer used to control the embedded system functions in robot, office machines, motor vehicles, home appliances and other electronic gadgets. The different components used in a microcontroller are processor, peripheral and memory. These are basically used in different electronic devices that require an amount of control to be given by the operator of the device. A microcontroller is a small, low-cost and self-contained computer on a chip that can be used as an embedded system. A microcontroller may utilize 4-bit expressions and work at clock rate frequencies, which usually include an 8-bit or 16-bit microprocessor, a little measure of RAM, programmable ROM and flash memory, parallel and serial I/O, timers and signal generators, analog to digital and digital to analog conversion. Microcontrollers usually must have low power requirements since any device they control are battery operated. Microcontrollers are used in many consumer electronics, car engines, computer peripherals and test or measurement equipments, and these are all well suited for long lasting battery applications. The question number 2 is: which of the following is likely to be the most expensive cost of quality in software engineering? External failure cost, appraisal cost, internal failure cost, prevention cost. The answer is A. Cost of quality. Cost of quality is a measure that quantifies the cost of control or conformance and the cost of failure of control or non-conformance. It sums up the cost related to prevention and detection of defects and the cost due to occurrences of defects. Definition by ISTQB: cost of quality, the total cost incurred on quality activities and issues, and often split into prevention cost, appraisal cost and internal failure cost and external failure cost. Definition by QAI: money spent, keyboard expected production cost, labor, material, equipment to ensure that the product the customer receives is a quality, defect-free product. The cost of quality includes prevention, appraisal and correction or repair cost. Cost of control, also known as cost of conformance. Prevention cost. The cost arises from the efforts to prevent defects. Example: quality assurance cost. Appraisal cost. The cost arises from efforts to detect defects. Example: quality control cost. Cost of failure of control, also known as cost of non-conformance. Internal failure cost. The cost arises from defects identified internally and efforts to correct them. Example: cost of rework, fixing of internal defects and retesting. External failure cost. The cost arises from the defects identified by the client or end users and effort to correct them. Example: cost of rework, or fixing of external defects and retesting, and any other cost due to external defects, product service or liability or recall, etc. This is our answer, last one, external failure cost, because the product after delivery, the product delivered to the customer, then the failure occurs, means it will become high cost. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.